welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the ICSE 10 topic absorption by roots. In the previous videos we have been covering all the important topics under this chapter and more. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, share with all your friends all the important videos as well. Today's work to do is to answer all the questions from the back of the textbook, Selena textbook, and let's start. So all the MCQs I've marked for you. I hope it is clearer. Question 3, 4. There is no question that I need to explain. Coming to name the following question. Name the condition of a cell placed in a hypotonic solution is turgid. Here I don't think there is any question that, Please look at this question. The pressure which is responsible for the movement of water molecules across cortical cells of the root is root pressure. Mark that answer. Pressure exerted by cell contents is on the cell wall is Turger pressure. Condition in which cell contents are shrunken, plasmolysis, and so on. Right. Coming to complete the sentences. I have answered it for you as well. Now fill in the blank. When placed in more concentrated solution, the cell contents will shrink because water will move out from where water is more to where water is less. So if you keep in a concentrated solution, that means the solution outside is hypertonic, and when you have a hypertonic solution, the cell shrinks. So on. Answer for the mass the following is also written. I have not differentiated between two terms that are given. That's because it's as such given in the textbook. True or false, whenever you get a question like this, right now in the current pattern of questions, this is omitted, that is true or false is not there. However, we have to practice it so that we know the concepts clearly. Again, true or false continues over here. I've marked the answers. Coming to descriptive part. Give two examples of Turger movements in plants. You can write sunflower moving towards the sun, facing the sun, grouping of mimosa plant. Then definitions are asked. As such, you can copy from the textbook and study. Give reason. I would like to explain. First one, if you sprinkle some common salt on grass growing on a lawn, it is killed at that spot. Reason. You're supposed to write the common salt will act as hypertonic solution resulting in exosmosis, right? And therefore killing of the plant. Next one, if you uproot a plant from the soil, its leaves soon wilt. What is the reason? That's because there is no absorption of water, isn't it? It is uprooted from the soil, so there is no absorption of water, resulting in less water in the cells, resulting in flaccidity. That's a key point, and that is the reason why the leaves wilt. It is better to transplant seedlings in a flower bed in the evening and not in the morning. What is the reason? The reason is in the morning, as it proceeds towards noon, more the sun, more is evaporation. Therefore, in other words, more transpiration is happening. More transpiration compared to how much water is absorbed. That is why transpiration is more during the noon time than absorption, which can result in the death of the seedling. It's a baby plant which is yet to grow. So it needs some care to be given in what manner? In the manner that we are planting it in the evening so that it has enough time to absorb water till the next day noon. All right. Next question. But you're supposed to write only the key points, that is during the noon, transpiration is higher than absorption resulting in the death. That's all. Next question, a plant cell when kept in hypertonic solution about 30 minutes turns flaccid. Reason. Please write two key points there. Exosmosis, because it is hypertonic solution, explanation can be written. Exosmosis and plasmolysis are the key points that you need to write over there. Potato cubes when placed in water becomes firm and increases in size. It is because water acts as a hypotonic solution, keyword. therefore resulting in end osmosis. Mechanism of closing and opening of stomata I have already explained in the previous video. Transpiration pull, how is it caused? Self-explanatory question from the textbook, therefore I have not explained. Structure type questions, I have written the answer down quickly, we'll go through. Give the term for the state of the cell. You can see it's a plasmolized cell, therefore what do you call the state of the cell? Flaccid. Plasma membrane, hypertonic, cell wall, then you are supposed to redraw this in a proper cell you are supposed to draw. Next question, this is as such explained in my previous videos. Please watch all the videos on absorption by roots, all the plant physiology videos. I have in detail explained to you what are the expected questions also have given you. Please do watch it. I have marked all the answers here as well. The level in the funnel increases, depicted by an arrow upward. Funnel with plain water is the control setup. This is important for you. What could be the control setup for this? It's a repeated question. So please write a funnel, the same setup in which the funnel is not filled by sugar water, instead filled by normal water or plain water is the control setup. Please write that answer. Now all the answers I have again marked here. Advantages, nothing to be explaining here. All are self-explanatory. All answers I have written over here. Next, again, coming down to this second question. Third question, sorry. Why is oil placed over water to prevent evaporation? Very frequently asked question. All these are explanatory. No, I'm not explaining. Okay, this potato cube question. The question is asking that there are 3 beakers kept in all of them, cylinders, sorry, in all of them potato cubes are kept. And one is not having water, first one, that is it's in air, that nothing is kept, that is why they have written air. Next one, distilled water, next one, 20% sucrose solution. From here, what is it that you need to know? First one, there is no water, so no osmosis, remember this. Next one, distilled water, which states that it is hypotonic solution around it, and this one is hypertonic solution. From there, if that much you are clear, I think all the answers, whatever I have written, is clear to you as well. This part, can you look at it? Would there be any difference in weight of the potato in beaker A? No significant change will be there as there is no water present. The answer. Logical sequence question repeated multiple times. All the answers I have written here. I hope it is clear to you. You can just see. From question number C onwards, I have written the answers over here as well. Question number D. What will you observe in the setup after half an hour? Water starts moving from 5% sucrose to 10% sucrose through the semi-permeable membrane, and this continues till both concentrations are equal. Going back to this question, what does it depict and all that is already answered here. Question number 8. Again, what does it say? First one, what is the solution? Hypotonic solution. Second one, hypertonic solution. And what will be the third one? Can you guess and write the answer down? I hope all the answers are clear. If you have any doubts in any of the questions, please ask me through the chat or message me. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe.